I truly loved it. I think not only did I enjoy being part of the panel and the session that we did, but you have a great cross section of people here, and hopefully all of this is going to contribute to the further spread of online retail. I think e-retail is now here to stay. Over the last couple of years, you've seen a lot of action in the space. A lot of the action has been around products such as technology products, mobile phones, electronics, etc. And I think the future of e-retail is all going to be about lifestyle. So you already see a lot of great companies being set up which deal in lifestyle products, providing a great experience to their customers, and that will ensure that more and more customers will come and try online shopping, especially in the lifestyle space going forward. So I think the future for e-retail is fairly bright. I think it already is a sector in itself. The rates of growth at which e-retail is growing, I think it's becoming even more meaningful a sector by itself. So you will find an entire ecosystem being developed around e-retail. You will find courier and logistics partners who set up special divisions which take care of e-retail. You'll find government agencies such as India Post, which have now realized that the potential of e-retail is high and therefore have a mechanism in place which caters to online transactions, etc. So I think the it's already becoming a sector. I think even more so going forward, you will see an ecosystem building around e-retail, which is going to further ensure the growth of the area.